Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Payal Kapoor, TGT Maths from Khalsa College International Public School. Today I am here to discuss a very recent topic which is done by our respected Prime Minister Mr. Modi, Pariksha Pe Charcha. Nowadays it is a very common problem, that is examophobia. What does it mean? Children, students and my dear parents, examophobia is a very common mental problem, mental disorder nowadays. It is not a disease, but it is a problem. Actually, what is it? Examophobia means we are afraid of exams. We are ready, we know everything, we know the concepts, but we forget because we are confused. Now, what is the reason behind it? Today, I am here to discuss all the reasons, all the problems, all the factors which lead to examophobia. So first of all, some of my experiences, some of my personal views I want to discuss. Number one, when the exams are coming, I come to know that children do not know how to revise the concepts, how they should start the revision, what they can do to improve their mistakes, how they can get good marks in their exams. So children, there are a few factors, there are a few key points which we have to keep in our mind to make our score good, better. So first of all, a month before, we should make a timetable. If we have a timetable, if we have a set plan for our exams, only then we can get success. Children, success doesn't mean getting 100% or getting 99%. Please do not run after marks. We should run after our best. We should do our best only. वो कहते हैं ना, कर्म कर फल की चिंता मत कर. So, first of all, make a timetable. Timetable means divide our working hours into parts, into portions. Now children, a day has 24 hours. Out of 24 hours, 6 to 8 hours we spend in our school. Our sleeping time, that is 10 to 5 in the morning, that is 7 hours. So 6 to 8 hours, that is 8 hours and 7 hours, 15 hours out of 24 hours already deducted. So how many hours left with us? Only 9 hours. Now, how can we use these 9 hours wisely? We have 5 to 7 subjects. We should divide these 9 hours equally. And our timetable should be like that. We should not study continuously. We should have proper breaks. Now, children, break. For how much time we should have break? The break should not be more than 15 minutes. Like I discuss nowadays, like exams are going on. On the name of break, children spend 2 to 3 hours on watching TV, on listening to the music, or in chatting with their friends on WhatsApp, on phone. Children, this is wrong. Break means you are to freshen up yourself. You want to break the monotony. So, take a study of half an hour, then take your food, whatever you want to eat. Moreover, we should eat. What should we eat? We, during exams, children, like if the exams are going on in summer, we should have liquids, more liquids, like cold drinks. Cold drinks means milk with sharbat or shikanjvi, like that, which will increase your stamina, which will decrease your dizziness. And if the exams are going on in summers, you should have tea or coffee. You should have dry fruits, you should have green vegetables, or you should have some fruits. Okay, so this is about timetable and what diet should we take during the exams. Secondly, now how can we make our subject strong? More and more written practice, children. We have to do practice as much as we can. Written practice benefit in two ways. Number one, we will increase our speed. We won't face the problem of writing in the paper. some people say, some students say कि paper छूट गया. We will not face that problem. Number two, as much as we write, we will come to know about our mistakes. We will improve our mistakes. We will come to know about our mistakes. So written practice is must. Then children, after doing written practice, make keywords, short notes. Because see, in the morning when we are leaving for the exam, we don't have time. There is hustle and bustle of keeping our things. So if we have keynotes, we will just go through the notes and revise the whole paper, revise the whole concept. Then one more thing which I feel, that during exams we are going through a lot of stress. Children, to reduce our stress, we should listen to light music. We should pray to God. We should listen to some Shabad. Whichever God you believe in, you should listen to their praise. Spend some time in prayer room so that you could not face that stress problem. Then many children do, they come to the school for the exam blank. Blank means they don't have the proper pencil box. Children, do your preparation for the exam, like your material, whatever you want. You are going to have a pen or pencil or scale, whatever you want for the exam, keep ready in the night only. Your uniform accessories, keep everything ready for the exam in the night only, so that you could not face any hustle bustle or any that problem in the morning. Last but not the least, children, we should go after concept clarity. Our concepts should be clear beforehand. If our concepts should be clear, revision will be easier. We will be more stress free during the exams. So please make your concepts very clear during the exams and avoid spelling mistakes. Practice good handwriting. See, if you do not write neatly, the examiner will not be able to understand what you have written. So the things will go wrong, you will get lesser marks. So children, number one, very important, concept clear. Number two, neat handwriting, pre-planning. Now children, at last I will revise all the points which I have discussed with you. Number one, make proper timetable. Okay. Number two, concentrate on your diet, what diet you are taking during exams. Number three, if you are taking break during studies, take small portions of breaks. Number three, written practice is must. Oral, no doubt, is important, but written practice is must and must. Then next, make short notes, keywords. Take a small notebook, not a big register, a 10 rupee notebook. Make short notes, key points, so that you can revise during exams. Then listen to the music to enlighten the environment. Then try to clear the concepts. Okay, stay stress free. No stress should be taken, because we know our aim is for learning. No doubt marks are important, but learning is more important. And at last, avoid mistakes. Avoid making mistakes as much as you can. Thank you very much.